Hi everyone, today I'm gonna share with you my new vacuum cleaner. It calls Laresar Cordless Vacuum Cleaner Elite 3. I'm so excited! I can't wait. Let's get this box unpacked, okay? Whoa, what I found! Inside there's an email address, so if you have any questions, you can contact them right away. As you can see, everything is well packed. How to show you? I'm gonna do it. Very nice, very neat. So let me take everything out and I'm gonna show you one by one what is inside, okay? What is this thing? Whoa. So many things. Okay, bye-bye box. The first one is very detailed manual. If you have any questions, you just can have a look inside and you'll find the answer for everything. This is a removable battery. Let me try to assemble it on the main body. Wow, as you can see, very smooth and easy. For the charging way, you can connect it to the main body to charge, or you can directly charge the battery pack. Let me show you like this. So here we have a dust cup. If we press this button here, we're gonna open it and now we can clean it. Here's a digital display. It's really convenient because on it you can see 3 modes. You can change them, depends on what kind of cleaning you need. Now I'm gonna show you. Okay, so here we have a tube. And you know what is great about it? That its length is adjustable. If you press the button here, da-da-da-da-da, magic happens. Now you can clean it in any places. You can clean it low, you can clean it high, you can clean it very high, just where you need it. So this one should be the motorized brush head. It's very nimble and can steer at large angles. Here we have a roller, and one thing, well, not one, but the greatest thing about it, that it doesn't get easily tangled in hair. This attachment is great for cleaning dust in corners and crevices. Here we have 2-in-1 brush. This is just magical thing. If you press this button here, you can use it in 2 different ways. It's suitable for cleaning sofas and dog's hair. For those who have dogs, you're gonna like it. So here we have a filter, no, a sponge and a filter for replacement, so you have some extras when you run out of those. Next one is wall-mounted plate, so you can place it on the wall and your vacuum cleaner will not take any other place in your house. You're gonna storage it neatly on your wall, and I think it's very cool. Next, I will show you all the way how to use it. Let's go.